Hey y'all, hey, today's video is my patio makeover for 2023 and I just want to get right on into the video. So what you're looking at is what the patio looked like before I started dreaming up what I wanted the space to look like for the kids and I. And as a family, we wanted to be able to spend quality time outside this summer and beyond. So I wanted to remove everything that I possibly could because the space was actually cluttered with a whole bunch of stuff that was very nasty or just unusable. So I just want you guys to take a look and see what it was I was working with. So first things first, I went ahead and took the toys and this car seat that was expired, things that were no longer of use or working. I took them to our local recycling center, and yeah, it was a big to-do because I have to walk all the way around to the front of the parking lot. So yeah, I got my exercise that day. But this is the following day because we experienced some rain and everything, so I just needed to hurry up and just finish that, and I moved on into a new day where I just wanted to get rid of this rug. It was, I believe, a Monday to be exact, because I knew that I wanted this rug to go to the dump because as you can see, there was nothing that I could do to repair it. It was moldy, it was disgusting. But what I wanted to use after I removed the rug from the space, I really liked using the Scott's multi-purpose cleaner because it was Clorox free, and I think that it worked well. But I mean, I do think that you would get greater results if you could use it in a pressure washer, because I didn't have that as an option. I just used 1-to-1 ratio, and I just poured it all over this concrete patio, and I just scrubbed it and I rinsed it with water. And it's not perfect by any means, but it did clean the surface as best that I could. I do realize that I do have this sped up for you guys, but this was some really back-breaking laborious work, but I'm really glad that I did it because I really wanted the surface to be clean for the decking that I purchased from Ikea. If you've been following along in the vlogs, I have shared this product with you guys, but it just took me a minute to get prepared to do this whole patio makeover because I really wanted it to be as perfect as I can make it with the budget that I was on. And the decking was very easy to put together. I will give you guys a close-up view of what it looked like to attach them and click them all into place. So here's the product right here. I used a total of 7 boxes on this day that I'm filming this, and then I had to leave the next day and I ordered an additional 3 boxes to complete the project the next day because I ran out. So I used a total of 9 packages of this decking, and I do highly recommend it. I will have everything linked in the description box, and currently this particular flooring here is on sale. I believe it's still on sale, so make sure you're looking in the description box and check it out for yourself if you're interested. Okay, so moving along to the hardscaping of this project, I wanted to get rid of the rocks. I didn't get rid of them, so I just covered them up with this mulch here. I did maneuver some of them to the right side where the flat top grill and the gas grill were located on the right side because I just wanted to make sure that everything would be a little bit safer as far as the rocks concerned. Everything looks good with the mulch. I was very happy with how it turned out. I went ahead and edged around the perimeter of our patio with this staggered wood edging, also purchased from Lowe's, and I think that it turned out really well. Just let me know what you think in the comments about that. And I bought 2 of these lemon button ferns, and that's the greenery that I have. I laid out my rug. This is from Boutique Rugs. It's in the shade of blue. It's really pretty. Not really my jam at first, but I love it now. I didn't have the option of buying a new table, so I'm just gonna clean this one up and give it a fresh coat of paint, and I'm gonna actually clear coat it this time so it'll last just a little bit longer. So I'm deciding not to share too much of my decor choices here before the final reveal. I will share with you these throw pillows that I got from Lowe's. I got this umbrella base for our new umbrella. I did choose a shade of dark gray. I think it turned out pretty well. You have to let me know. I did Scotch guard everything outside because I want everything to last a little bit longer this go around, and I obviously need to remind you guys what the space looked like beforehand before we get into the after, because y'all, that after is something special. I tell you what, it was a labor of love. We love coming outside just to enjoy the sun. It's been hit or miss as far as the rain goes here, but ever since I've done it, we have really been enjoying the space. I will have everything linked in the description box, so don't forget to check it out. If you're interested in anything that you're seeing here in the space, let me know down in the comments what you think of it. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell if you want to continue to see any of my content, and give this video a big thumbs up. Share it if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!